At Mercury Minnesota, we want you to think big.
Think big.
There's not too many people who can build frames this size.
With over 200,000 square feet, we can handle almost everything.
Big ideas, big plans, big products, and big time savings.
Mercury has a history of innovation, adaptation, and thinking big.
Here in our Minnesota location, we have 220,000 square feet. That's why we want you to think big.
From fabrication to finished shipped product.
Laser, brakes, welding, paint, assembly.
We specialize in frames of all sizes,
We do specialize in tubular frame structures.
Sheet metal frames, chassis.
anywhere from computer mainframes all the way up to 20 foot by 7 foot wide tubular and sheet metal structures,
So we can build small, intricate parts.
And small components and chassis.
all the way up to aircraft hangar doors.
We've built some aircraft hangar doors that once they're fully completed, they will take up hundreds of feet in width and can be up to 44 feet in height.
I-beams, stuff like that. We cut them, saw them, weld them, and then ship them out on a flatbed.
Tolerances, we can hold anywhere from 5 thousandths to 20 thousandths on a welded frame.
How do we reduce your costs? By automating our cutting, painting, welding, and assembly.
We do understand that you have to be competitive out in the market, and it doesn't just increase prices. You have to find alternate methods to be able to lower the customer's price and still give them the quality and integrity of the product that they're looking for. One of the ways that we do that is we invest in automation so that we can take out some of the labor costs.
Like the machine we have behind us, the Amada EMLK, it's a punch laser combo.
It's a fully automated CNC CO2 laser punch combo.
So it's got a 52 station turret, and then we got the laser capabilities. So any special features, any odd shapes, things like that, we don't need to spend the extra money to buy special shapes. We just have the laser go and cut them features.
With a 5-stack tower system in the back.
We can load up to 6 different materials. It knows when and where it should change the materials out and loads the machine automatically.
We can run this system for 48 hours non-stop with no interruptions.
So keeping the cost down, the more time this can run when we're not here, the more money we save for the customers.
Our automated paint line system, we do both liquid and powder applications.
We even had to invent a wash system to handle something this big.
Our spot weld, our multi-head spot weld is fully automated. That's got the 20 heads on it. Got automated riveting, we got automated welding with our automatic robots.
We own 3 Panasonic robots. This is the reason why you'll save money on your weldments, is because we can do this. 56 by 96 is what we can put inside this machine. We get fixtures that we can dial in, and we can repeat that process over and over. We can hold things within 3 thousandths on something that big. Our manufacturer of the robot told us that we couldn't do this with our robots. Our team discovered how to make this work and happen. This is unique to our company. You're going to find this, no other company does this.
What I have behind me here is an example of a sheet metal frame.
So this is a Robo Frame.
Now that's a Robo Frame.
This is a Robo Frame.
What is a Robo Frame, you ask? It's when you, the customer, needs a large-scale frame
Fabricated, welded, painted, and fully finished.
done efficiently, cost-effective, and on time.
And you want the best quality for the least price. Through automation, we can provide that for you, and that's a Robo Frame.
The Robo robots make the Robo frames, and that's how we save money.
Mercury, Minnesota, home of the Robo Frame.
So one of the things that we do here is we take a quality comes first approach.
We have pride in our quality.
Our quality is fantastic.
Really, our motto is quality comes first.
Actually, when I started here 39 years ago, it'll be 39 years, we came up with our saying, and quality comes first.
How we deliver that to our customers is understanding and knowing what their requirements are, and then meeting and exceeding those requirements. So quality to us is the whole package. It has to be on time and it has to be cost competitive.
We not only make the sheet metal panels, the doors, the covers, but we also assemble any of the sheet metal parts that are inside of this.
So this is a dryer for solar panels. Look at the size of these. Why ship air?
Why ship air?
We also have the capability to not only build it, but to put assembly parts into it.
We have 80,000 square feet in just our final assembly building, and we can go even a step further and do full integration for them. Testing, capabilities for full ESD grounding, circuit board handling.
We can do electrical, we can do mechanical, and
We can bring value add to your product.
ship the whole thing complete.
Just being so vertically integrated makes us competitive because we can take the product from raw steel to finished components.
We are very good at leading the industry and being innovative in our automated solutions. One of our examples is we have invented an automated rivet machine.
Innovation runs deep. In order to become cost competitive on a project we were looking at, we came up with a riveting solution to take that laborious cost of putting one rivet in at a time to multi-riveting. With the push of a button, we can do 50 or more.
What sets Mercury apart? The family atmosphere. We're a family-run business, family-owned since inception.
Mercury Minnesota is a family business, and we all treat each other here as a family. It's been that way for over 20 plus years that I've been here.
So at Mercury Corporation, we're one big family. So what that means is we care about each other and your products.
We act like a giant family, and we work together very well.
To work as a partnership with you and always be there for your needs.
Our customers are part of our family.
We are Minnesota Nice.
Mercury Minnesota, where Minnesota Nice comes to life.